Hey guys, Josh with Magnum Property Management here. As we approach the winter, which is naturally every single year going to be our slow season, we see houses sit a little bit longer and longer. Don't worry, we understand that this might feel impossible. You might not have any motivation to do this just because it's so time consuming. But in today's video, we put together a list of some things to consider why your house isn't renting in California. The first thing to consider is the season. Are we in the high season, the low season? The high season is always May, June, July, August, right when school's ending compared to when it's starting. The slow season always really starts kicking up about October. The winter months are gonna bring in slower season. Know the market. It doesn't care what your mortgage is. A really important thing is, does the property show well? You're likely going to attract the same level of tenant as how your property shows. There's dingy paint, old carpet, you're going to likely find somebody, but they're not going to really care about the home if you don't. Get the house in rent-ready shape and it's going to attract a really good quality tenant. This day and age, everything is done online. Everybody window shops, and that includes for houses. Make sure that your marketing strategy is in place. Here at Magnum, we have an in-house marketing department, and we'll go through a strategy that works just for you. Another great point in the winter months, offer move-in incentives. Sometimes homeowners will say 50% off a 1 month's rent. Maybe a security deposit can be paid in 2 lump sums. Whatever it is, let's entice them to come in. Why would your house rent for the same price as the one down the street? Let's tweak it a little bit, make it a little bit more attractive. The very last one I think is hands down the most important. It has to be priced appropriately. Some would say it has to be aggressively appropriate. In the winter months, things slow down. We've said that throughout the entire video. Your house compared to one down the street, what's going to entice them? It's absolutely going to be price. We can go into the great details about why your house is special and all the features, but if they don't see that price makes sense, they're going to swipe left and keep going. Here at Magnum, we can go over a pricing strategy that works for you. We'll go over pricing. Sometimes it's the main photo needs to be changed slightly. We'll highlight everything that has to do with your home, its neighborhood, the city, everything to get your house ready to be rented. Let us know if there's a time that you want and we'll chat.